Hey everyone, Brady here with Wedding Posthouse, and today we're going to be walking you through how you can create proxy media for your wedding file so that instead of uploading 400, 500, 600 gigs to Dropbox or Google Drive to send us a project, you can upload the proxies, which are generally around 80 to 100 gigs. A lot less upload time for you and faster turnaround times, so let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is import your wedding media into Premiere. You're also gonna need Media Encoder for this, but you should already have Media Encoder downloaded to your computer. It generally comes hand in hand with Premiere Pro. So the first thing we're gonna do here is go down to our video. And what I'm gonna do here is right click and we're gonna go to Proxy and create Proxy Media. When we click this here, it's gonna come up with an option on how we want it. Generally, I do ProRes, medium resolution proxy should be fine. Format QuickTime. And I actually choose a separate spot to put the proxy footage. So I'm gonna go browse and I'm gonna put everything in one folder called proxy here. I've actually already went ahead and done this because it can take, depending on your computer, 1 to 2 hours. So it's actually already all here, but I would create a proxy folder and select that instead of having it next to the original media and hit OK. I'm not gonna hit OK because what that's gonna do is open Media Encoder for you and it's gonna start encoding those files. But once you're done, you're gonna have something that looks just like this with your proxy media, and it's gonna have all your cameras, all your angles, all your folders, all in one, which is exactly what we want there. And then when you go to upload your footage, you're just gonna upload from your media your audio sources here. And then instead of uploading your video, you're just gonna select that proxy media for your video and upload those 2 folders and you are good to go. Now, I wanna walk through real quick how to how to relink your original media when you get the project file back from us. Because when you get your project file back, we're using those proxy files to edit. So you wanna put your full resolution media back in, and I'm gonna show you just how to do that. So when you get your project back from us in Premiere Pro, it's gonna have your culled footage as well as any multicams you have from the wedding day. But you can actually ignore those sequences for now because the first thing that we wanna do is go ahead and go into our media tab, and we're gonna go to our footage here. We're gonna hit Command A, and that's gonna select all of our clips here. And what we're gonna do is right click, go down to Proxy, and then reconnect full resolution media. Okay, so we're gonna start with ACAM 69 Proxy, and we wanna make sure that we have Relink Others automatically selected as well here. That's gonna help us when we select the first one, it'll go ahead and look automatically for all the other ones that fit the criteria. So that's selected, we're gonna hit Attach here, and here we go. We're starting with the first one. Let me double click on that, and it's locating the rest of our media here. Let's see how it does. Sometimes if it's a different folder, you may need to go back again and show it where it is. So that's ACAM, we're looking for our BCAM here. Yep, BCAM 01, and we're gonna go ahead and click on that. You can also hit search, and it will actually search for the file itself, which is really great. But that's our clip there. Go ahead and double click that. And that is everything relinked. And this is actually now the original media, and you can actually toggle your proxies on and off. If you don't want to deal with the proxies at all, you can just detach the proxies and you'll just be working with full resolution media. So that's how you can just send us proxies and relink your original media. It's gonna save you a lot of time, especially if you have slower internet speeds uploading to Dropbox or Google Drive. So I hope that helps.